My name is Jessica Sullivan, and my independent study project was on reading and GPA. I wanted to see if the amount of time you spent pleasure reading affected how high your GPA was. So my hypothesis was that the more that you read was not going to affect your GPA, because my friend reads a ton of books outside of school and I don't have time, I don't read that much, and our GPAs are pretty much the same. So I gave kids a survey and asked them different questions like how much time do you spend reading outside of class, what's your GPA like, what kind of books do you like to read, and I had to break my graph into 3 parts. So this part is GPAs of 2 to 3.5, that's 3.6 to 3.9, and 4 to 4.75, because I had so much data it didn't fit on a graph that was easy to read. And when I looked at it, altogether it didn't look like there was a correlation, so I broke it down into honors and non-honor students instead, and it looked pretty much the same. There was no correlation between how high your GPA was, but I wanted to do statistics to figure out if there was, and what I found out was that when you compared the amount of time spent reading in non-honors classes and honors classes, that there was no statistical significance, and that basically the data was considered more random. And so I got curious and decided to do the same test on GPAs to see if the GPAs were random or if there was a statistical significance there, and there was. So that told me that something is affecting the GPAs between honors and non-honors, but it's not the amount of time you spend reading. Thank you.